Like many places in rural Bangladesh, Burhanuddin is awash with tube wells. These pumps are meant to bring up safe drinking water from underground aquifers. But these wells here are not like any others. Attached on top of them, there are different pipes that carry a more lucrative resource, natural gas.
There are so many of these wells here, about 100 like this one, just in this area. There is a lot of gas in this part of the country.
Residents of Burhanuddin have known about this gas supply for years. But it was only in recent weeks that Bangladesh's government announced that it had found a large reserve of natural gas here, one that could double its dwindling commodity. But the low-lying island of Bhola, which is in southern Bangladesh, is also on the front line of climate change. Half of its land has already been lost to encroaching waters. So the prospect of more fossil fuels being exploited here in Bhola has many people concerned. The State Minister for Power, Nasrul Hamid Bipu, tells Al Jazeera Bangladesh's energy needs can't be ignored, and the government plans to start extracting gas from Bhola in June. With their island ravaged by climate change, Bhola residents say they are among those who stand to lose the most from the continued exploitation of fossil fuels. But in the short term, they could also benefit from a government program to extend natural gas to the region. The World Bank says 40% of the population in Bangladesh doesn't have access to electricity, and many more in Bhola don't have reliable access to gas. This restaurant in Burhanuddin uses one of the makeshift gas pipes.
It's not the best situation because this sort of setup could easily result in accidents. There are occasionally small explosions. So let's see what the government does now. Let's see if they take steps to help us.
The force of the gas pushes the water constantly to the surface. For years, it's never stopped gushing out. With such an abundance of fuel just under their feet, the people of Burhanuddin, even those who've lost their homes to climate change, feel that they at least should benefit from it. Mahir Sattar, Al Jazeera, Bhola, Bangladesh.